Hello, welcome to our video on how to find a book using the library catalog. In this video, we will go over how to access the library catalog and how to use the library catalog to find a book. First, please go to the Milne Library website. Underneath the Milne search bar to the left, find the Advanced Search link. Select this link. You'll be directed to the Advanced Search page. Take note of the options underneath Search For. Make sure that Library Catalog is selected. Next, enter keywords associated with your topic in the search term bar. For example, let's say you are interested in finding a book about sustainable or environmentally friendly fashion. A keyword would be fashion, but you'd also want to include a second keyword like sustainability. To add a second keyword, you'll need to use a Boolean operator. Go to the drop-down list denoted with the word AND. These are Boolean operators that allow you to connect keywords and allow you to narrow down or broaden your search results. We'll need to use the Boolean operator AND. Once you have included all of the keywords for your topic, select Search in the bottom right-hand corner. Once you get results, you'll notice that the keywords you searched for are highlighted. But take note that there are 256 results. You can narrow or filter your search results by using the filters on the left-hand side. For example, say you only want print books and not ebooks. Under Availability, select Held by Library to find only print books. Another option is to filter by date. For example, we can filter by books published from 2010 to 2024. Lastly, if you're getting search results that are from sources other than books, you can use resource type to filter by the type of source you want, for example, books. Once you're finished adding filters, you'll see that the results have narrowed, making it easier to find books relevant to our needs. Your next step is to look through the search results to find books or a book you are interested in. Once you decide on a book to investigate further, click on the title. You'll be taken to a detailed record of the book. Scroll down to find more details, like the contents, which includes chapter titles, and the description of the book. Both help us decide if this book is relevant and something we're interested in reading more about. If you are interested in checking out a book, you can scroll back up and find out if it's available. If it says available at Milne Library Circulating Collection, this means that you can find it on the shelf and check it out. One really important thing to take note of is this string of letters and numbers. This is known as the call number, and it acts as an address to find the book on the shelf. For more direction on call numbers and floor plans, you can visit the reference desk on the first floor of the library. If you have any further questions, please reach out to the library by email at libref@oneonta.edu or by phone at 607-436-2722, or stop by the reference desk on the first floor of Milne Library. Thank you.